All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the assignment, and then I'm going to click into it. And what you'll see is there's an image there already. This image, I may want to draw on this image in order to add my elements. The elements are going to be passion, promise, purpose, and practicality. So you're going to put words in each of these where you're going to say areas, things that you love that are appropriate that have to do with your job or a potential job. Things that you are naturally good at, and maybe you're great with animals, so you're going to put in, that there, and is there a purpose for that in the world? Yeah, if you decide to be a vet or you want to work with animals in that regard. So your purpose is what if the world needs it, if there's some reason that anybody would want you to do it. And practical is, can you get paid for doing it? Is there a group out there who would pay you for this skill set you have and have developed? That's what all this is, but what you'll have to do is download that. So I'm going to go ahead and right-click this, and I'm going to go Save Image As. Now, that means I'll have this image that I can download and I can print, and then I can write on it. Unless I have a program that I know how to edit an image, then I could just put the text in there. So I'm going to do that real fast. I've downloaded it. Now I'm going to open it up in a little place where I can type on it. So I've downloaded this. This is now in a program that I know how to use, that I can put words in each of these areas, and then from there I'm going to be able to save that and upload it for my assignment. So let me just go ahead and put some words in here, but I could also print this and I could just hand write in these areas what my strengths are, what my purpose and promise and practical logic is behind doing it. So here we go. So in my program, I just put in these 3 words because I have art. I want to have art as part of my life. I really love working with photography or these different things. I love service. I waited tables for a while. I'm an instructor. I think service is important. So those things are my passions. Now, am I good at it? Well, it turns out I'm okay with art. So this is now, in terms of how a vector diagram works, is the art is in both of these areas, okay? Technology, am I good at that? I'm sort of good at technology, all right? And then service, I love that, in terms of whether I'm good at it or not, I'm not positive. What else am I good at? Now these will be random, but I've added 3 more things. Okay, skiing. I'm a good skier. I was raised skiing. I'm really proficient. Okay, I've taught quite a bit. I have lectured a whole bunch. So maybe it's that. Bowling. Bowling. I'm not good at it. I can't get paid for it. The world doesn't really need another bowler. I don't love it, so bowling isn't in. What I'm trying to say is that you have things in your life that you bumped into that you're just sort of good at, that you're good at and you love. But does that work in this regard? What about talking? I honestly feel that the world needs people who can speak relatively well. So that is in, talking is in my, I don't love talking, but I still like it. So talking, I'm going to put it in, can I get paid for it? Yeah. Does the world need it? Arguably. Skiing. Skiing isn't, I don't think I get paid for skiing. Well, skiing I love, and I got promised at it, but I'm not sure the world needs another skier. Does the world need an artist? I would say so. Am I good at it? Pretty good. Can I get paid for doing it? Yeah, I can. Okay. So that's how I'm arriving at these things. So let me just put in something else. What else is practical that I can do? I'm going to put in here teaching, because teaching, I enjoy teaching. It's okay. I'm not bad at it. It's practical. I get paid for it. So teaching falls in here maybe. But you can see how if all of these, there was a confluence for all of these, then realistically, maybe if all 4 of those were teaching would be in the center there as well. That's what I'm looking for you to do this. Now, once I've done this, I've got to save this and then upload it. So I'm going to save it. As just an image file here. So it's a PNG is fine. And I'm calling this Qualvic because I want my name attached to that. 4 Ps, 16 by 9. Okay, great. I'll put the 4 Ps diagram. So that has been saved, and I'll be able to upload that in the discussion. So I come back here where we were, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to say, okay, there's the discussion. I want to post something there real fast. Now, I'm not in a group, so this won't work for me as well as it will for you, but here's what I do. I want to post something to this discussion topic. So I'm going to put in here, my discussion title is my name, Qualvik 4 Ps. That's what I want that to be. Now, what I want you to do at this point is I want you to upload something here. If I click Advanced, then I have this place where I can drop and drag a file. So let me show you that. Okay, so I just need to drag something in there. So there's what I saved. I'm going to drag it right into this right there. It's titled, that's what I got. Now I'm just going to go ahead and hit Post to Forum. And it wants me to put in something here real fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and type in a couple of things, a bit of a summary of what I have there. I have my diagram there, and then I'm going to hit Post to Forum. Now this is posting to the forum, and that's all you have to do, and then you're going to come back and you're going to comment to other people in your group who posted to the forum. So that's the entire assignment, but I need you guys to hop on this, please. We're coming down to the last couple of weeks of the class.